LUCID L300 Ergonomic Upholstered 5-minute assembly dual USB charging stations head and foot incline with wireless remote control adjustable bed base, king. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Base. First ever folding hinge makes shipping more affordable. Easy assembly takes less than 5 minutes from box to bed. No expert assembly is needed. Number 2. Base. Independent head incline. 0 to 60 degrees, foot incline 0 to 45 degrees. Dual USB charging stations on both sides of bed base. Number 3. Mattress. Plush memory foam layer is topped with real latex for the perfect combination of sink and spring. Number 4. Mattress. High-quality 5.5-inch steel coils are individually wrapped to conform to your body and isolate movement. Number 5. Attractive, two-tone cover finishes the elegant look of this 10-inch mattress, backed by a 10-year US warranty against manufacturer defects. Number 6. Wireless remote. Adjust your comfort with the touch of a button. Includes a programmable memory button and a convenient flashlight built into the remote for added versatility. Number 7. No box spring required. Leave the step ladder in the garage because the L300 doesn't require a box spring. Number 8. Great for pregnancy. If you've ever played the starring role in The Miracle of Life, you know that finding comfort while pregnant isn't as simple as just laying down. Lift, lower, and lock in your happy place with the L300 adjustable bed base. Number 9. Improved airflow. Sleeping at an incline aligns your spine and opens airways. By simply raising your head 10 to 30 degrees, you'll dramatically reduce snoring, relieve congestion, and even positively affect sleep apnea. Number 10. Better digestion. Inclining the angle of your head by just 6 inches can ensure your stomach acid stays in its proper place as you sleep, improving digestion. This also relieves throat stress and acid reflux. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.